So give you guys a little progress report. Sun finally came out. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We got the Bobcat dropped off and a mini excavator this morning around 10 o'clock. So as you can see, we got to get all this dirt out, as we got to get, basically, you see the top of the footer, we got to get 8 inches down because we have about 2 inches of gravel and then 6-inch concrete pad. So you know, that'll be the top. So that's what we're doing now, working getting all this dirt out of here. Easier to do it now before they get all the walls and everything else done. Plus they couldn't take it, you know, all the way down to the bottom because all the dirt's in the way. But it's the progress now. That thing has been working awesome. Got about half of it done. I've just been digging around the footers and stuff and doing what I can with a little mini excavator, but you know, doesn't have much guts, so it is what it is on that. But starting to look like a building, you know, because before you standing at this corner, you know, you look at the columns and it's not that tall, but now you look at the back, that looks like a nice building. So coming along. Well, walk and talk at the same time, so it'll be a little shaky. So this is day 2. We got a lot done yesterday. I mean, it's really looking good. I'm really pleased at how it's been going. Got them picking up the mini X today because we don't need it anymore, and I'm not gonna pay about $250 a day just to have it sit here. We just need the Bobcat. That's really been kicking butt. We used it for about 90% of everything. So as you can see, she's taking shape. Got a nice long easy sloping ramp now to drive off of. That other side is huge, man, nice big area. This is taking shape. You know, the only issue is going to be a little bit tough. Now the building's sitting lower, you know, we're going to have a serious grade coming off the road, but we'll do the best we can and then try to slope it to the sides and, you know, see how it's going to end up. But it kind of is what it is, you know, working with what Mother Nature gave us. So let's walk over there and see how it looks. So Brad's been going at it. He's been doing an awesome job. So you can see we're getting down to the nitty gritty. It looks really good all the way from, you know, almost the front post back. You can see this is where we need to be, because we'll put about 2 inches of stone and I'll go with a 6-inch slab. So like I said, this is what's going to be tricky right here. But look at this nice area that's developing over here to the left side of the building, because, you know, we got to put the dirt somewhere. So it's coming out here and it's packing really nice. So look at that, getting a lot more nice flat area to work with. You know, if I even needed to expand at some point in time, you know, we could do a lean-to or something off this side and I'd still have plenty of room. So killer. But that's how she is, taking shape. Mother Nature helping us out today. So that is awesome. Well, we got this nice perfect fall day, and why isn't anybody working? Let me show you why. Hopefully you guys can see that or not. Yep, that's antifreeze. So this fine specimen of a wall that we've got rented for like a month to get this building put up. As you can see, it's had its better days. So first off, we started having problems. You know, after it sit a couple of days, or, you know, we'd use it a few days and then we'd jump in it, it wouldn't move. And we called them and they came out. So I had to do this one-handed. And they brought us this jug of hydraulic fluid. And apparently the transmission leaks. So about every few days you've got to add about, you know, 12, 14, 16 ounces of hydraulic fluid, because this is hydraulically activated transmission, just to get the thing to move. So awesome. And now they were hoping to get started on putting on the, you know, the rafters and whatnot. and radiator let loose. So great. So they're going to deliver us another one tomorrow, but that's Thursday. Today's Wednesday, you know, and of course the rain's coming Friday and Saturday, so hopefully we can get some you know, rafters and I guess purlins is what you call them, to support the rafters. We'll get some stuff tied in. About all they got done is, you know, built this platform, and they got some of these girts fastened in, and then you got what one set of support wires. So kind of a bummer. A nice day to get some work done, and we can't get anything done. As you can see, we worked hard the last couple days, moving a lot of dirt, so kind of a steep drive. We're obviously going to have to address the water coming down once the building is up, but pushed a lot of dirt out. It's nice and solid. Got a huge area over here, if I hadn't already mentioned, you know, pushing the dirt out. And we got a nice ramp coming out of the back now. Had to have a place to put the dirt, so that's what we did. So pretty cool. So now you got a lot of room. So that's the update, guys. Hopefully we'll have some progress tomorrow. So as you guys can see, we had a beautiful day today. They have been working. You can see we got some rafters up, and I don't know if that one in there top, that like that ridge cap, is that called a purlin or what? I'm not sure, but so they're trying to get as much done as they can, because it is Thursday, and of course we got rain coming in tomorrow and Saturday, and then it's supposed to be nice Sunday, Monday, and then rain again Tuesday. So hopefully we won't get too much rain over the weekend, and it'll dry out and they can get some work done on Monday. Now the rental company came out, and they didn't obviously bring us a new wall. They just repaired this one here. You know, guy come out in a service truck. So far it's been working okay, but just a little update on how we're doing. Hopefully it's going to go a little bit faster once everything starts getting tied in together. Well, the crew is making a little headway. As you can see, they're getting the all the roof metal on, so that's coming together nicely. So hopefully tomorrow, if they work on the roof anymore, then they will be putting some insulation and some metal roofing material. So that would be awesome. We have a somewhat dried in part, I'm not sure. As you can see, we don't have much left. That's insulation. Those are the insulated doors. The long box there, that is the trim. The wooden box is the entry door. So we should be getting close to insulation and tin, so I can't wait. We're supposed to have good weather all week. It is now late Tuesday, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Hopefully they can make a good push in the next 3 days, because I think they're calling for rain, sleet, snow on Monday, so that would kind of ruin the week. But exciting stuff. Can't wait. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for following the project. So it's Friday afternoon. They wrapped up, left a little while ago. Basically the frame of the building is done, and of course they're calling for rain tomorrow and Sunday. Mother Nature is just killing me on this project. So not sure what it's going to be like Monday. Talking to the boss man, because I originally thought they were going to put the insulation and start putting the tin on was the next phase of the construction, but actually what they want to do is they want to go ahead and get the pad poured next week, because apparently there is I guess you'd say angled sheet metal that gets attached to the bottom of the slab, and then obviously the paneling on the bottom gets attached to that, and same thing for like the doors and stuff has to go into the concrete, so that way they can't you know, do the insulation and tin first and then do the pad last. That was what I originally thought they were going to do, but that's not going to be the case now. So if Mother Nature will cooperate, hopefully we can get a you know, a pad poured about probably what, the middle to the end of next week. You know, we'll have to come in here and get it graded, get it formed up, and get the wire mesh in there. Of course, we got to get the stone on the bottom, have the inspector come out, give us a thumbs up, and then pour concrete. So we'll see, you know, baby steps, but that's where we're at. So we've made a little more progress. As you can see, got half the roof up. The crew just wrapped up. Let's go down there and check it out. Okay, well, we have like a semi-dry job site. If you watched my latest mail call video, you saw the snow. So that was the beginning of the week. Like I said, Mother Nature has just been brutal on this project. So last weekend we got 2 inches of rain from Friday night into Saturday night. It was nice Sunday, so it dried out a little bit. Then we got the snow all day Monday. And you know, Tuesday was overcast and melted a little bit. So about Friday it actually dried out enough so they can come do some work. So they worked Friday, which was yesterday, and they got I don't know, about a third of the top on of the, or should I say the roof. And they decided to come back today because the rain is coming again Monday and Tuesday. Go figure. So it looks like they've got almost this whole side, so basically half the building. As you can see, it's insulated. I think I mentioned before, but if you didn't catch it, they got 6-inch thick insulation is going on the roof, and then on the sides or the walls I'll be having 4 inches, and of course both doors are insulated also. So awesome. So hopefully we can get this other part done and the roof will be done, and we can keep this area dry. And the plan is then obviously is to go ahead and form up so we can pour the pad. We picked up the stone, so that'll be the base. We'll get about 2 inches down here, and once the pad is poured, let it sit up, and then they can do the walls, and then obviously we get a sky jack and we can work from the inside on the concrete. So just a little progress report, but you know, if we could just get a week of good solid sunshine and no wind, then they could get this wrapped up. So fingers crossed. Thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, we got more white stuff. So it started sleeting and snowing last night, and well, what is that, 26 degrees? So not sure if it's gonna melt or not. So obviously that means the crew is not working today. Another delay. Oh well, at least Chaos is enjoying it. What you got, buddy? You got your squeaky ball? Guess he wants me to throw it.